Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Money is not everything, as you are just entering the legal profession. The legal profession is called a noble profession. It is a profession which has given so many noble persons to the country. The country's freedom movement was dominated by the lawyers, be it Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. Even after independence, the lawyers fraternity has contributed immensely to the political or social field, and therefore money is important, but money is not something, not everything. And I am sure that if in the initial years you put in hard work and keep money on a secondary level, you will reach a stage that money will follow you, and for that you have to strive hard, you have to build a reputation.
ज्युनियर आदोगादांनी येस मेळपाक कितें करपाक जाय ताचेर मुंबय हायकोर्टाचो मुखेल जुईज दीपांकर दत्तान मार्गदर्शन केले.
The law profession is a very demanding profession, and the senior lawyers that you see now, no one has succeeded without a struggle. This struggle has to start from day one. This is bottom touching. You just go and sit on the chair, show your face to the judge will not ask you anything. You get the money. So that is that last stage. No work, only money. But for that you must attain that stature, that you are such an advocate, even if you sit, the judges, by viewing your demeanor in court, may only ask you one question, you will not be interrogated. One question, one answer from the senior counsel, the judge understands what is the matter. So please keep this in mind.
मजगती बार काउन्सिल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र आणि गोवा खातीर नव्या कचेरीचे नव्या हायकोर्टाच्या बिल्डिंगेत उक्तावण जाले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.